Hello everyone, we are Fiat's Ride Company, and in this opportunity, I will like to explain about our business company. Next. First of all, our company was established in February 2022 and located at Teknik Kimia Street, Surabaya, with our main product is bicycles. Fiat is a company that provides a solution to a healthier lifestyle change by following customer desire and still upholds safety, comfort, and professionalism to anyone. Our company has a philosophy, vision, and mission. First of all, the philosophy derived from Dutch language, which is Fiat, often called PIT by indigenous people, which means bicycle. The purpose of choosing this name is to make the brand sound more familiar and easy to remember for the public. First of all, the vision is to become a reliable bicycle industry player and present the best quality bicycle. Then the mission is producing, distributing, and marketing bicycles that have the best quality with high added value in order to provide a memorable cycling experience for consumer. Our company has a values. Fiat present the best product quality, so the bike durability is guaranteed. Fiat also provide the best after-sale service, both for routine service and replacement for the spare parts, so that the consumer get a memorable cycling experience that is different from the before experience. Next, this is my team. First, my name is Maulana Faris Barudin as CEO or the President of Role Leadership. Then Lindsay Shafa as a Business Analytic and Sales Management. Then Mr. Bangun Robiarto as VP Sales Management and Business Analytics. Then Irna Faridatul as a VP Accounting and Finance, also Marketing. And the last one is Mrs. Tari Sadifa as a VP Marketing and Accounting, also Finance. Next.
In this presentation, there are 7 topics of discussion. The first topic is executive summary. From this slide, you can see Fiat's balance scorecard for each quarter. Fiat had a decline in the third quarter, but was able to bounce back in the next quarter for 0.20 in the last quarter. For cumulative balance scorecard, Fiat always increased every quarter and it has 0.20 in the fourth quarter. Here is the graphic of the balance scorecard where Fiat's indicator color is Tosca. It significantly increased from quarter 3 to quarter 4. Here is the cumulative result from Fiat. And then in the next slide, we will explain about review of financial and market performance. Here, the graphic of financial performance seems Fiat has a downstream from quarter 2 to quarter 3, but the increase from quarter 3 to quarter 4. Overall, the percentage of financial performance 2.25. And here, in the last one is market performance. Fiat's market performance is currently stable increase from quarter 2 to quarter 3, but there has a little downstream from quarter 3 to quarter 4. Overall percentage of market performance in quarter 4 is 0.70.
This is Fiat assessment on current situation and market. On this priority, we chose the speed segment. There are Speed Fiat 001, Speed Fiat Lite, where we agree to redesign the Speed Fiat 001 on the third quarter and make new product Speed Fiat Lite. On the second priority, there is work segment. In the work segment, Fiat has 2 products. There are Work Fiat 001 and Fiat Work Lite, where previously Fiat only had 1 product and decided to make a new design and Fiat Work Lite for the cheaper price on the work segment, so the consumer has more option for the bike. Okay, next slide. On the customer line, we are using brand judgment for our company, and the result from Speed Fiat 001 and Speed Fiat Lite 63. On the work segment, the result for Work Fiat 001 and Fiat Work Lite is 64 and 57. Okay, next. And in this slide, we will explain the price adjustment for Fiat. The result of both segment for each bike is 100. Okay, next. On the competitor profile, Fiat has 6 competitor in the market. Based on competitor profile, Fiat segment has less competitor on the market for speed and work. Next, for reliability, Fiat got 73 on score with 2 number of store and 12 store sales force. Next, based on market share and market demand, Fiat position is number 7 on market demand and 8.46% on market share. Okay, we'll continue in the next slide. The next segment is strength and weakness based on industry result on key for our company. Our company strength is investment in the future and financial risk. Next slide. But our company weakness is market performance, market effectiveness, wealth, and financial risk. Next slide. This is our company problem and opportunities. On opportunities, we have got investment in the future that significantly increased, but on the problem, we have got market performance, market effectiveness, and wealth. Okay.
The next topic, strategy for the next quarter, the first point from this topic. Next, marketing strategy. From this slide based on the market performance, Fiat that increased the third quarter, but in the fourth quarter index, but not from the last quarter, Fiat has several market strategies. Please, we make brand design the request the customer needs. For advertising strategy, with advertise product in the right media and attract the customer attention. We design new ad improve design at that the poor judgment. We increase the number of regional insert. We allocate $20,000 for making the advertising design in allocate $17,000 for local media placement. $38,000 for regional media placement, and $16,000 to utilize social media in accord from the company needs. Next, by using the sales channel strategy, our company gets demand that always increase every quarter. Fiat record a net demand 136 in on the last quarter and close margin up to 304,045. Next, here we discuss about sales channel strategy that we take is to increase demand and to expand the market. Fiat already opened store in Amsterdam, and Tokyo will allocate $110 for opening store in each region. Next strategy is hiring new sales and service people to increase the production demand. And the last is by market research, so we can re-engineer the strategy by knowing competition profile. Next, we will discuss about Fiat's manufacturing strategy. Please invest more Pinterest to boost production volume. Because all stores are open, we need more 3D printer to fulfill customer need. On is increase production volume unit 1,060. Fiat expand production capacity 25 from the previous quarter, and the last is give overtime towards increase production volume. 3D printer cannot produce more than 1,060, so every time is needed so as not to cause stock out. Next, the next segment, financial strategy. The goal is cost optimize to earn profit. There are production repair brand reduction with loss reduction employing people. Next.
The next topic is financial request. So this is the next. So this is the financial performance of Fiat. From the data above, we can see that Fiat has fluctuating financial performance for amount per share. From the first quarters, the result is -9, then increased to -21, -16, and the last quarter -13. We improve our financial performance by using our financial strategy from the previous slides. First is produce more product to increase our revenue. Second is to deposit some money to get interest. And the last is to sell our license to other companies. Also, the project I set record numbers of 25%. Next, here is desired stock price and share of company being offered. The desired stock price is 100 and the share offer is 12,000 share. Next. The next topic is pro forma, cash flow, balance sheet, and income statement. Next. This is with cash flow from the first quarter. Beginning cash balance always increasing from the first quarter. Also, net operating cash flow is 350,891. Next. Total investing activities on the last quarter is 240,000, decreasing from the previous quarter. Also, the financing activities in the last quarter 750,000, but cash balance always increasing in the last quarter. The cash balance current is $841,728. Next. This is the balance sheet from current asset, long-term asset, and debt. The total equity report offered is $1,861 without any debt or zero debt. Next. Here is the income statement based on data. We can see that costs increased significantly, and we can conclude that Fitch has a good financial performance. Next. But earning per share is fluctuative. First quarter is -9, increase to -21, then continue decreasing until -13 in the fourth quarter.
Okay, from the slide before, our company has to about how the solution should be done. For human resource, we increase the compensation given to sales and workers. For sales channels, we open store, recruit new employee that match what store needs, and fix the web productivity. For marketing, we improve our brand ads and judgment. We give the affordable price, add more media placement, add more paid SEM. The last is manufacturing. We add fixed capacity to fill the customer demand, and finalizing the projected analysis of the customer demand for the brand. Continue to the question session. Questioner, you can ask your question, please. Mrs. Aisha from Exmod.
Hi, my name is Aisha Aurelia from Exmod Company. What did you like about the team? Is assessment of the year of business and its positioning for the future? Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the question. Let me answer your question. First of all, what we like about the team is that we think together. We search for the solution and strategies to keep the company survive. Together, we do our best. The final quarter assessment, in our opinion, is the best result. We can accept because we have done everything possible and tried to correct the mistake that occurred. Maybe we are still in sixth place, but in the future, we will continue to try to develop and formulate strategies more truthfully, so we can make a new innovation and we can strive for more.
Okay, thank you for your answer.
Excuse me, can I ask some question?
Yes, you may. Please continue.
Okay, my name is Aisha Akzana Bital. I want to ask about where do you think the team could improve?
Thank you for your question. My opinion, teams can improve in existing strategic thinking and planning, where teams that previously still don't understood how to survive in this business then can improve themselves, immediately understanding the situation and makes the right decision on a problem. Hope it can answer your question. Move to the next question.
Okay, my name is from Beaver, and I question, what do you think is a realistic price for the film stock given how things went in the second year, and how will the team has prepared itself for the futures?
Our opinion, the stock price we got in the simulation is realistic because as it's seen from the production carried out and the demand obtained by the company And for the future, of course, we will plan better than before and also be more true and read the problem from all the points of view so that we can beat the existing competitors. Hope it can answer your question. Okay. Thank you guys for all your question. We are Fast Ride Company signing out right now. Thank you.